So you ask me what's one thing that, an entrepreneur should have. So for me, it's two things because they're tied together. The first is, kasi nga, passionate ka about that. And yung passion mo can be anything, and you can create a business out of it. That does not define success for me. Na matandaan ka pa, wala na, mabilis ang buhay. Here today, gone tomorrow.
What's like the Hanky Lee formula?
Hanky Lee formula? Hello there! Ako si Hanky Lee, and I am the innkeeper of the Henry Hotels and Resorts. And guess what? I'm a co-founder of Yellow Cab Pizza.
Tama naman, kapag nalaman, American, gusto ko yan.
Oh, it's a colonial mentality, which is also, kasi yung colonial, it's also in our psyche. We were a colony of Spain for 300 something years. Tapos we're a colony of America for 50 plus years. So, alam mo yun? 400 years. Yung siyempre yung nakita mo. Aside from not saying na we are an American brand, hindi rin kami lumabas. Na-realize namin yung Yellow Cab, hindi kami kailangan lumabas. I mean, the founders, never kami lumabas. Hindi tulad ganito na, I'm sharing my story. We purposely did not want to share our story. Kasi we wanted the brand to have its own legs. Ang namin dyan, the five senses would look, feel, taste, yung hear, di ba? American. So here with the Henry kasi, what I'm trying to do is to make us be proud of our own culture and using that to build the brand. Yun yung difference, di ba? With the Henry kasi, what I try to instill is basically pride in our culture. Na tayo, we should be proud of who we are, our identity as Filipinos. Kaya very strong yung sense of place namin. I'm from Manila. I don't have any roots. I don't have any province, di ba? Pero traveling the country, you realize how rich our culture is. Ibang-iba talaga. So you should, yan ang ko dun, if you should travel the country. No. So I don't come with money. It's a service. That's a solution. Hotel management kami. So I come with the service. Again, that is the innate talent of the Filipinos. Service nga tayo, di ba? So yung pera, yung capital, actually sa owner yon. But again, they trust our brand to be able to deliver. Ito lang yung medyo iba kasi this is a leased property. So pero the other 11 locations kasi, 11 properties, we work with owners. So sa kanila yung asset. Sa kanila yung hotel. Diba? Let's say itong Resorts World, Marriott, hindi naman may-ari ng Marriott yan.
Oh, okay.
Ang may-ari niyan si Mega World. Sa mundo ng hotels, hindi siya bago. So yan, strength namin, branding. Kasi 'di ba, pag linagay ng Henry, medyo may konting kilala na siya. Tapos yung mga tao, komportable na magstay. And then the systems, from sales and marketing to operations to purchasing, tinutulungan namin may-ari. Because nga we had a brand that stood for something, we were able to find owners who had hotels. And yung hotels nila, secondary business nila yon. And then mahina or wala silang walang anak gusto mag-manage. So we come in and manage it for them. So actually, ang capital namin dito is the brand. Pero ang dala din namin, trust. We live in a VUCA world right now. What does VUCA mean, diba? Volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. So we've had that, in COVID, diba? So you ask me what's one thing that, an entrepreneur should have. Diba? So for me, it's two things because they're tied together. The first is understanding your strength. Every one of us is unique. Every one of us has been given a particular skill set that no one else has. The first is to understand that strength of yours because there's no time to dwell on your weakness. Di ba, lagi sasabi nila, yung weakness mo, work on it para maging strength siya. Sa akin, wala nang time in this world, in this VUCA world ngayon. So understand your strengths, di ba? And then use your strengths and apply it to a passion of yours. It is a combination of both. A strength that is innate and a passion that you have. Di ba, lagi na sinasabi, how can you give from an empty cup? Kasi passionate ka dun. So yung cup mo na yun is always full. And yung passion mo can be anything. It can be entrepreneurship. It can be social entrepreneurship. 'Di ba? It can be an NGO, it can be filming, it can be service. It's so many things, 'di ba? And you can create a business out of it. 'Di ba may kasabihan, grass is always greener on the other side. Lagi natin iniisip na kung ano yung meron ng iba or meron ng ibang bansa ay mas magaling, mas maganda kaysa sa atin. I will push back on this colonial mentality. Na tayo, Pilipino, there's so much to be proud of. We are actually, kumbaga as a people, we are wanted. We are loved all over the world in industries. Bakit? Because we are good at service. So sa akin, wag tayo laging tumingin, ay, ganito, mas magaling sila eh. Let's not say Balinese style. Diba? We can say Philippine style. Or we can say Negrense style. Diba? Because there's so much to be proud of as a Filipino. Ang Kili formula, even for me kasi, there is a clarity of vision. It's not just clarity of vision, certainty of intent, and power of values for the company. It is also a clarity of vision leading to certainty of intent and using the power values for me. And I am a risk taker because the things that I have done are all leaps of faith. When I did Yellow Cab, wala akong masyadong pera. Pinasok ko yung savings ko dun eh. We were competing against giants. I remember, natawa nga yung kaibigan ko dun. Sabi nga niya, nung kunento namin, ito yung gagawin namin. Sabi niya, 6 months. 6 months ka lang. 6 months na kayo, sarado na kayo. Good luck! Diba? With the Henry naman, yung itong boutique hotel na to was non-existent naman in the Philippines. So parang we created that category. Lahat yan, leap. Pero ngayon, with what I'm doing now, leap of faith siya. So bakit siya leap of faith? Kasi ngayon ko lang na-attach yung faith to God. So ngayon yung faith, it's leaping, but you have faith in God that He will be there for you and He will take care of you because He loves you. Diba? Na itong ginagawa ko, napakahirap. Pero meron akong nakasandal ako sa pader. Immovable rock siya. So okay lang ako. I'm fine. So ang vision namin is to share God's love through Philippine hospitality. That is our clarity of vision. He is the owner, He is the boss. Where He tells us to go, we will go. When all is done, when you have your tombstone, what is that one word on your tombstone that would define your legacy or what you have done? So I'm working towards that. So I have my one word, and that word is servant. I want to serve.
What do you want people to say about what you did?
Nothing. An example ko doon is yung Yellow Cab. If you think about it, what you said, wala naman kami doon sa website, di ba? So, 12 years lang yun. Hindi man siya 50 years. Di ba? Because now, it is in the hands of another. This is how I'm looking at the Henry also. So ngayon, currently, ako yung namamahala. Ako yung steward nito. Pero 10 years from now, baka hindi na. Kasi I'm already 56.
Akala ko secret eh.
Hindi. So, yun nga. Inisip ko, sabi ko na. I mean, di ba? I'm already 56. By that time, 66. So, we're already thinking of succession kasi. So, parang, in 10 years from now, iba na ang face. Does that matter to me? No. Basta as long as I'm able to live up to my one word. Yun importante sa akin. That does not define success for me. Na matandaan ka pa, wala na mabilis ang buhay. Here today, gone tomorrow. Easy. What's your strength? Is it aligned towards your strength? Diba? And are you passionate about that? Yun, balik lang ako dun. And then third, sasabihin ko, go for it. Mahilig kasi ako tumalon. Mahilig ako leap. Leap of it. Kahit hindi ko masyado alam. Go! There's only one way. Step forward. Ako leap Ikaw, sige, step forward. Okay lang. Okay lang. Dream bigger kasi the name really resonates with me kasi. It's really connected to the story of Christine. I see her tremendous love for the country. And I see her passion in terms of how she wants to make things better through what she does. You guys are creating an ecosystem, a platform for entrepreneurs to literally dream bigger. And these are ventures that create impact, diba? And they are not profit only or profit first, diba? But yun nga, they address gaps that have the impact in Philippine society. And that's why I subscribe, I believe in the mission. So we are all able to dream bigger. Not only for ourselves, but for our country.
Cut!